Hey guys, how are you doing? I am so excited you're here. Today I wanted to show you a really quick pink eye look that I think you will love. It is great for every day, so I hope you'll stay tuned to check it out and just see how it can be quick and easy and painless and done, and you'll feel fabulous. Stay tuned. I'm so excited to show you how to do one of my very favorite eye looks. We're going to use 3 shadows today to create this eye look. We're going to use Mulberry ShadowSense, Pink Posey ShadowSense, and Pink Opal Shimmer ShadowSense, and it is such a pretty look. So first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to dive right in and get started. We're going to start with Mulberry first. So one of the things I always like to do after I have applied kind of my crease color ShadowSense is just take a dry brush and just blend out the edge so it's not so harsh. This is a step you want to do right away because with ShadowSense you have about 2 minutes to work with it before it sets. So if you don't do this until the very end, it won't blend out as well. So tip, always keep just a dry, non-colored brush in your makeup to do some blending. So the next color we're going to do is we're going to do Pink Posey, and this is a little bit darker than Mulberry. So I'll show you how I do it. All right, and then the last shade we're going to use is we're going to use Pink Opal Shimmer. My sticker fell off with this one too. This one is a great inner corner highlight, and it will just lighten things up a little bit. Because I have hooded eyes, I don't love to have deep color on my whole lid frequently, so this helps lighten it up a little bit. I'm going to take that dry brush again and just kind of blend these two together, blend this inner corner. If you're running low on brushes, you can always just wipe some product off on your hand if you feel like a brush is getting too much product on it, but just kind of blend it out. And look at how pretty this is. So kind of a pink transition up here, darker pink in the outer corner, inner pink in the inner corner, and it is just a really pretty look. If you want to take it up a tiny notch, you can also take the Pink Posey and just put it under your lash line a little bit. So you can take a brush, get just a little bit of Pink Posey, and then just kind of work to put it under your lash line and work it up to where it is. Sometimes if you have eyes that are hooded like mine too, you can't see a ton of your shadow. So adding a little bit under your eyes is also a good touch, just because then you can see it there. So I'm going to pop off camera. I'm going to put on my eyeliner and my mascara, and then we'll come back and look at the finished look. All right, I am back. I popped on some of our brown EyeSense pencil, which is a smudge-proof eyeliner pencil. Just on the top of my lids, I did our black VolumeIntense non-waterproof mascara on my upper and lower lashes, and then we are all set and done. So I think it looks pretty great. Thanks guys for tuning in, and we'll talk to you later.